Hi queens and kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. In today's video, as you guys can tell, I am decorating my dining room for Halloween. If you all would love to see the elegant, spooky look that I came up with, please continue to watch. Hey queens and kings. All right, queens and kings, so here is my elegant, spooky, glam dining room. Okay, so I did make some changes off camera, as you guys can tell. And my colors are the black and white and burgundy. So for all placemats, or place settings, they are the same. Nothing different about them. I went with something simple, but it is over the top with the glam. And a lot of you guys said for my kitchen, you never seen that Halloween could be so glamorous. But honey, I am here to let you guys know, yes, yes, it don't have to always be spooky and scary. So this is what I came up with, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I am. So let me tell you guys about the place settings. And I start here on our right. The utensils and everything are from the Dollar Tree. These mirror chargers, I made them myself, which I will link down below. These are some spider webs that came from the Dollar Tree. I use them as place mats. And these here are not towels, napkins or anything. They are the actually placemat. I just folded them in half and made them out of, make them look like they're napkins. So just another extra layer. The white plates are from Dollar Tree. The bling napkin rings here are DIYs that I made when I made the actually place mat, the trays here, the mirror trays. These here came from Mark. These napkins here came from Bed Bath and Beyond. Now let's move on to the centerpiece itself. Now I love it. I really do. Even my tall candelabra here, which is from Mark, but I will leave it down below. And if you guys use my discount code, you actually get, I think, 15 or 20% off. Don't quote me, but I will leave it down in the description bar for it. But I love it. I really do love this candelabra, but I am gonna say this: it is a pain in the butt to put it anywhere else because I'm scared that Andre is going to break it because I have a very hyper 3-year-old. But this is basically the regular setup that I usually have for it. And all I did was just add these little black and white candles, which they are DIYs. They're just some white candles that I got from IKEA, but you can't burn them though. You cannot burn them. So you guys, you cannot burn these. They're just for looks and fashion. I just put some black tape on there, as you guys can see. So they gave me the black and white stripe look. Very affordable. Very affordable, because you know they could be pricey if you order them from anywhere else. Then I have my little decorative bowl here, and I got my flowers that in there, and I just add some of the burgundy flowers in there. I'm not sure if I like the burgundy flowers in there, but they in there for now. So moving on down, I have some more candle holders that I got from Mark. Each one of these candle holders, I think this one was $8 or $9 for that one. I'm not sure. And in between them, I just have my velvet skulls where I put some little diamonds in there for the eyes. Look how gorgeous that sparkle. It's all about the glam, all about the glam. Now my salt and pepper shakers came from Z Gallery. I always use those as well. I'm trying to change up some, but it's kind of hard when you actually love stuff, you know. And the runner came from Bed Bath & Beyond. It goes with the napkins and the placemat here that we're using for just another napkin, a decorative piece. So now my glassware, which they are plastic, it is plastic. These here, the skeleton ones here, the flutes, I believe that's what those are, came from Dollar Tree. These here, I got them from Poshmark. I ordered from one of you queens that you were selling it on your Poshmark, so I really love those. I really do love those. But pretty much this is it for the dining room table. Now, on the 2 chairs that I do have, if you guys are new here, these are DIYs that I did, repurpose and revamp or whatever upcycle you want to call it, DIYs. And the pillows as well are DIYs that I did. I just have those placed in there just to have them somewhere. And on the chairs, I have some of my sashes that came from eFavorite Mark as well. And I just tied them on the back, making a little cute little bow. And for my curtains, now for the curtains, they are very long because these are more of like event curtains. The backdrops, that's what they are. And I wasn't sure if I was going to use them because I wanted velvet, but it was like, why not use these? You have them on hand, just use them. And I also got these from eFavorite Mark as well. My sheer curtains came from, I think, Tuesday morning. And just to bring some of the black back here, I just tied another one of those sash on there since I don't have any more chairs at the moment. But hopefully that changed very soon. Hey, Queens and Kings, so for the very last part of my dining room, which is this canvas that I recovered, that I also did the same thing in my kitchen that you guys seen what I decorated. So it's the same thing that came from the Dollar Tree, but this one here just a little bit different, and I like this, which it was much larger. I had to cut some off, and as you guys can see, I didn't do too much of a good job cutting it, but pretty much it still gave me the look that I wanted. I wanted to cover up that teal that I had up there, so therefore the dining room can blend in with the black and white and burgundy that I got going on. And next to it on the side that I switched out my other chandeliers, not chandeliers, what are these things called? Sconces. My sconces that I DIY myself, and I put some of Dollar Tree little black wax faux wax candles up in there just to bring in some more of the black. But I truly love the way my dining room turned out, and as you guys can see, I did take off the black little sashes or whatever on the curtain. I think it looked much better this way. I don't know, something about the black was on them, just wasn't rocking for me, so I took it off. And but this is pretty much my elegant Halloween tablescape, how I decorated my home for the 2019. So I hope you Queens and Kings enjoyed this video. If you all did, boo, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share the video as well, and subscribe if you are new to the castle, and turn on your post notification bell. And by doing that, hit the button that say all, so therefore you all will not miss out on the next Decorate With Me video or any other type video that I upload. With that being said, I will talk to you Queens and Kings in the next video. Bye bye.